Hi boys and girls, it's time for math. Put your thinking caps on, we're going to do some word problems. Now I'm going to show you on the screen what it looks like if I was teaching a lesson at school, but I'm also going to show you what it would look like on paper because that's what you're going to have to do when you turn it into me. So let's look at our screen. Here we have a problem, and we know that this is our storyboard on our farm. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to read our story problem. Then we're going to think about what it wants us to do. We're going to show it on our paper, and then we're going to write our equation that shows our thinking. So we have 4 steps every time that we do a word problem. So number 1, let's read it. We're going to start right here. There were 6 pigs on a farm. 3 of them left to play in the mud. How many pigs are left? So now we're going to stop and we're going to think. Does it want us to put more pigs together? Or did it tell us that some of the pigs went away? Yeah, some of the pigs went away. Let's read it again. There were 6 pigs on the farm. 3 of them left to play in the mud. How many pigs are left? So instead of showing you on the screen, I'm going to show you on the paper what that will look like. So we're going to go to our paper. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper into 4 pieces. Now Miss Myers is just recycling some paper, and I'm going to use the back of it. I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to fold it one more time. That way I have 4 equal parts. I'm going to use my pencil. I'm going to write my name, Mrs. Myers. I'm going to write the date. Today for me is April 20th, 2020. And then in the corner, I'm going to put number 1 so that I know which problem we're talking about. So here it said that we had, let's look again, 6 pigs on the farm. 3 of them left to play in the mud. So let's think. I don't want to draw 6 pigs, but I can draw another shape that represents our pigs. So I'm going to draw 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it told us that 3 of them went to play in the mud. So that means I need to take 3 of them away. 1, 2, 3. And the question was how many pigs are still on the farm? So let's look. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Now we read it, we thought it, we showed our thinking, but our last step is to write it. What could we write that shows our thinking? I have it. We can write an equation. So we started with 6 pigs. What symbol could I draw to show that I took 2 of them away? A minus sign. Take away 3 pigs. Now 6 take away 3 has the same value, equals 3. There are 3 pigs left on the farm. Let's do the next one. Oh, this time we have chickens. Step 1, let's read it. There were 8 chickens on the farm. 2 more chickens joined them. How many chickens are on the farm? Okay, let me read it one more time. There were 8 chickens on the farm. 2 more chickens joined them. How many chickens are on the farm? So step 2, let's think about it. Did we get more chickens or did we take some chickens away? Let's look again. 2 more chickens joined them. So we need to add more chickens. Step 3, let's show it. So I'm going to come over here. We're on our new problem. Now this time for the chickens, I'm going to draw stars. I already forgot my numbers. 8 chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now last time on this problem, when we were taking things away, we drew an X over them. But this time we're going to add some more. So I'm going to add 2 more chickens because 2 of them came to play. But I'm going to circle them so that when I look at it, I know I added those chickens in there. 8 chickens were on the farm. 2 more chickens joined them. So we circled it. They joined them. How many chickens are on the farm? Step 4, we got to show it. So we started with how many chickens? 8. Now, what symbol do we use when we want to put 2 numbers together? Plus sign. You're so smart. Plus 2 chickens equals, count the chickens. But here's the thing, I made mine look like a 10 frame, so I already know that that is 10 chickens. 8 chickens plus 2 chickens equals 10 chickens. Good counting. Now let's go to our next word problem. Whoops, wrong one. Okay, this time we have horses. Let's read it. Step 1. There were 7 horses on the farm. 1 horse galloped away. How many horses are on the farm? Let's read it again. There were 7 horses on the farm. 1 horse galloped away. How many horses are on the farm? So now step 2, let's think about it. Did we add horses together or did we take horses away? You're right, we took horses away. So step 3, let's show it. So this is our third word problem, so we put number 3. Now this time I'm going to use circles for my horses. So let's remind ourselves of the numbers. 7 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now remember, 1 galloped away. Galloped is like you ran. So if 1 ran away, yeah, we took 1 away. So we're going to draw an X. 1 galloped away. How many horses are on the farm? Okay, remember, we can't count this one anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 7 horses, and then they took away 1 horse, and that equals 6. I've got 1 more for you, and then I'll show you where your work is. This time we have sheep. There were 3 sheep on the farm. 6 more sheep came to play. How many sheep are on the farm? Let's read it again. There were 3 sheep on the farm. 6 more sheep came to play. How many sheep are on the farm? Step 2, think. Are we adding sheep together or are we taking sheep apart? Yeah, we're adding them together. 6 more came to play. Step 3, show your thinking. So this is our last one, number 4. And for this one, I'm going to use triangles. So we had 3. 3 sheep were on the farm, and then 6 of them came to play. So remember, when we join things, we're going to put a circle around it. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 sheep were on the farm. 6 more sheep came to play. How many sheep are on the farm? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sheep are on the farm. 3 sheep were on the farm. Remember, we're going to add 2 numbers together. We're adding some more. Then we have 6 more, and that would equal 9. So boys and girls, when you do your word problems today, I want to see your thinking each time. If you have to take away, draw an X. If you're going to add, draw a circle. That way I know that you're thinking the right way. Now let me show you where to find your work. So if you're on the online packet, you're going to scroll down to the math section. You'll choose math activities. And then you're going to scroll down to page 30. And you have 4 word problems, just like we did, about pigs, chickens, cows, and horses. But they're not the same ones that we've already done. If you're in the paper packet, you can scroll down, you can turn in your booklet to page 79, and you'll have the word problems. If you're doing it online, it's going to be page 80 in the packet. Again, just go down, just look at that one page, and you have those same 4 word problems that I want to see. So once you finish your 4 word problems, take a picture, send it to me. I can't wait to see your thinking.